Hi guys, welcome to bestwebteacher.com. Today in this video I am going to show you how to solve this type of errors. Means you can see this page isn't working and it's showing 500 HTTP error. So site is working fine. You can see this is the website. If I am going to refresh here, it's working fine, but when I am going to open the WordPress admin, it's showing like this. To how to solve this type of problem? To solving this type of problem, first we need to access cpanel or root file access. You can use cpanel or you can use any FTP access. So I have cpanel access. Just first I need to open the cpanel. After opening the cpanel, just go to the file manager and go to the public_HTML, and after that click on error_log and just view it. Go to the last line and see what is the error. The error is in wp-content plugins revolution slider. The problem is in this plugin. So just go to the wp-content plugins and after that just find out the revolution slider and rename it. After that just refresh your admin area. Now you can see it's working fine. Now you can log in. So successfully it's login also. Now if I am going to refresh the website, the slider will be definitely gone. Okay, the slider you can see it's gone. Now what to do? Better to delete this plugin and install the newer version of this plugin. After that definitely it will work. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share this video. Again I will come up with a new video. Till then, take care and have a nice day.